Hey friends, Google Chrome is a very secure browser. You must have noticed that whenever you try to access a website which is trying to send malware to your computer, Google Chrome tries blocking it. And Google Chrome also informs you of data breaches, but that does not happen every time because if Google Chrome was so strict, then you may not be able to access a lot of whitelisted websites. But if you are conscious about your security, online security while using Google Chrome, then the procedure is as follows. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now go to privacy and security and click on security for safe browsing. You'll find this option for enhanced protection, and as you can see, by default only the standard protection is enabled. So you can change the radio button to enhanced protection, and it has way more options than standard protection, including warning you about your passwords if they have been exposed in a data breach, and improved security, and sending each and every URL to Google Chrome along with a few samples of pages to check them. And this will significantly help you be safe on the internet. But if you need even more safety, then scroll down to the advanced section and it says always use safe connections, secure connections. Once you check that, you will not be able to open any website which uses HTTP. So they need a secure server which is HTTPS. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.